Hey family, I'm Stephanie Wade. I'm HYBASIA, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa. But no, y'all, I am in Galveston, Texas, USA. I am so surprised when people ask me, are you back in the States? Guys, I go out of my way, whether I'm feeling good, ain't feeling good, to do videos often enough so people will know I'm still here, y'all. I'm still here. That the Most High blessed me to wake up this morning, start me on my way, just to get out of my place where I sleep and come outside into nature. The sun is out, but it's a cloudy day, y'all. I feel the heat and it feels good. The inside just hit different, y'all. It just hits different. It's like the people that you think will be close to you because you were supportive of them and you keep up with their stuff. They don't keep up with your stuff. It's like if the majority of the people that subscribe would watch, the views would be fabulous, darling. I ask people to give me subjects that I can talk on. People refuse to do such a thing, y'all. When they ask me stuff contrary to my nature. Stuff about negativity that people spreading rumors and innuendos and gossip that's not based on facts at all. People love fear-mongering, y'all, and that's not my thing. I don't borrow trouble. Since the beginning of the time, people been the same, y'all. I see people get on social media and talk bad about their own people. Just because you get your citizenship somewhere else don't mean you gotta villainize your own people where you came from just because you don't have to go back. I think that's just not loyal at all. It's like me. I live in the USA, y'all. I don't badmouth the USA. I tell anybody that nowhere is perfect in the world, including here. I love Galveston, y'all. It's my hometown. I love Texas. I love the people in the South. They just so friendly, y'all. It's not that I dislike the other people, but they just ain't friendly. That's just the fact, y'all. It's just a fact. They're only nice to you if you work with them or you related to them or some other reason of why you get to know them, but not because they friendly people. They're always on their guard. So I say people are the same everywhere, no matter where you go in the world. You can't think because you somewhere that people gonna treat you worse or that people gonna treat you better. I always want to be treated as an equal. That's it, as an equal. I don't think I'm better than anybody, and I don't think nobody need to break their neck trying to make me welcome anywhere. Just like here, I'm friendly to people whether I know them or not because I'm a Texan, y'all. I'm a Galvestonian, B.O.I., born on the island. My relatives come from Louisiana on my mama's side. So I grew up Creole, y'all. So we just nice people. We try our best. Nobody's perfect. Everybody got their own little secrets, lies, innuendos, and etc. But in general, we do our best to be good to everybody, whether we know them or don't know them. And surely not spread false rumors against our neighbor. That ain't right. Says so in all the books that's good in this world, y'all. If I don't know it to be true, I'm definitely not going to say it, because, you know, that's not right. But y'all, most of the times we get what we are looking for, whether it's good or bad. I went to the Gambia. I was so happy to see my team at HYBASIA. I was so happy to see the Food Forest project growing and thriving. It touched my heart to see that it continues, whether I'm there or not. And that's my purpose, y'all. I pray to the Most High all the time for us to get the support we need to do things just a little bit faster. But however it is, y'all, I'll keep going as long as the Most High say so. And I know that it will be not just completed, but that it will grow, and permaculture will be practiced not just in Jambanjelly, but in lots of other villages in the Gambia, as well as anywhere in the world that you're watching and you're watching and you're watching and you're watching. Because we show you what we did from the very first video, where the land had nothing on it other than herbs and indigenous trees, to where we have lots of diversity now because of people purposely planting what we like. Plant what you like, grow what you like, eat what you grow, and sell the rest. That's permaculture economics, y'all. Each one, teach one. Who feeds you controls you. Who feeds you controls you. We encourage saving seeds, organic seeds. We encourage seed sharing, organic seeds. Y'all, being a part of nature is a wonderful thing. Growing food is a wonderful thing. It tastes so good and fresh when you harvest it yourself. Even something like my bitter leaf over there. It's bitter, y'all, but it's nice to know that I can just pick a few leaves, chew them up, and swallow with a little water, and in less than 30 minutes, I feel better. How wonderful. And did I have to do anything to this bitter leaf? No. It just grows back every year by itself. The fig tree taking care of itself as well. I love it when it starts turning into a forest, and all you got to do is keep adding your annuals. Even my boysenberry, y'all, it is growing. It's fruiting right now. Got the little fruit on here, as well as the flowers over here, and flowers over here as well. Y'all, that's with me being gone for a whole month and not doing anything to them. When it rains, it rains. My son said he watered my sweet potatoes a little bit. But he's not really somebody who grows anything. So all I can say is the sweet potatoes are still alive. The sweet potatoes that's growing in the ground over there, y'all, nobody did nothing to them. And they're actually greener than the ones in the box. Every year they grow back by themselves. They grow on this side of the fence, the other side of the fence. The leaves are edible. Mother Nature's amazing. If you have any questions you want to ask me about permaculture, ask me. If I don't know, I'll find out and get back with you. Might make a video about it. And if you want to know where I am, watch my videos. Subscribe. It's free, y'all. Hit the notification bell so you will know when I upload another video. I'm still recovering, but I feel so much better than I did. Tell you, the older you get, no matter what it is, you're going to have some time that for you to heal back. But y'all, I'm sitting out here, I'm enjoying myself. I was motivated to make this video because somebody asked me if I was back or not. I'm like, if that's not a reason to put out another video, I don't know what is. You can bring a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. So I will post, I will make videos, but I can't make people read them and see that I'm okay. I can't personally tell everybody I know in the world every step I make, especially when they're not really that close to me, or they would already know if I'm here or not. Because the ones that want to know, they'll check on me and see. They already have my number and stuff. Or they'll just contact me in Messenger, the people that I actually know, and get a reply on my WhatsApp, no matter where they are in the world, and they can get me. And my patrons know. They can just leave me a message there, and I'll get back with them. But anyway, y'all, I was just having my say, letting y'all know that I'm fine, letting y'all know that yes, I'm in the United States. I made a good old supreme bean pie last night. Just letting all the ingredients sit in it real well. Probably cut it this evening or tomorrow. Fix a little chili later on today. But I hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day, no matter where you are in the world. I love listening to the birds. And it's so nice. Whoever was making the noise ceased. And I hurried up and made this video. And I'm blessed that I'm ending it and it's still nice and quiet. Y'all, I'm visualizing us building a farmhouse soon, brick by brick, earth brick of course, so our land manager can stay on the land. That way we'll have less monkeys messing with the stuff there, less squirrels messing with stuff there, so we can harvest more. I believe in fair share, but we need our fair share as well. We'll share with the monkeys after harvest and the squirrels as well. But anyway, y'all, until the next time, peace, peace, power to the people. I'm out, y'all. Bye.